We had this conservatory built because we got an old conservatory and it really needed replacing before we needed replacing ourselves, so it was very essential. We went with conservatory land because we felt comfortable doing business with them. I had some doubts about purchasing online, but they very quickly put us at our ease. We were knocked over by the price of it and just how beautiful the products were, you know. It just felt right from the start, really. It didn't take us long to decide just to go ahead. I was tempted to build it myself, but my partner insisted I was getting too old and didn't want to be holding up a roof while I was trying to fix it to the wall. So we decided to take the option of having a service provider come in and build it for us. I was thrilled with the work they put in. They were brilliant. They were like working with family. We had a lot of laughs. You know, they were just really amenable, good to get along with. I'd love to think if we moved, I'd be able to build it myself next time. But I know two good people I could phone if I needed help. They were brilliant. I'm just thrilled. It's opened up the house. We can open the doors in the morning on a day like this and step out and really enjoy the whole footprint of the property, and it's great. It's made the house warmer in the winter, a lot warmer. Just a great feeling. And the feeling now, having finished the outside, feels marvellous. I would have no hesitation to recommend conservatory land.